guys, welcome back to LANAP. For today's video, here are going to show you or discuss with you how to fix my Wix site on mobile. So if you're interested, let's start tutorial. Now in this case, you might be new here to developing websites here with your Wix, or in this case using Wix here to develop websites. Well, adjusting or making sure that your website would adapt to the mobile version here is fairly easy, but there are a few things they need to check here. So first things first is you want to go ahead and go to wix.com here, log into your account and access your website. Now you want to go to your editor here, as you can see right now on my screen. Now the thing with Wix here is there are different views that you could get here. So especially if you're just using Wix, not the Wix Studio version here. So if you're just using Wix here, this is going to be a lot easier because everything will be done for you automatically. Now, how do we change our view here, and how do we actually guarantee that we can actually adapt to the mobile screen here? Now at the top left here, you have the desktop option. Now if you click on desktop here, this actually allows you to edit your look for desktop. But if you click on the mobile here, this actually allows you to switch to your mobile version, which in this case allows you to edit what your website would look like on the mobile. Now, the thing with these two options here is whatever you do on your desktop and whatever you do on your mobile are going to be something different. So for example, if you make changes, like if you hide a specific element in your mobile version here, the element that you've just touched, like for example, I want to hide this one. So just for an example, I want to hide this specific element here. Since I've hidden this will not affect my desktop version, which is something really awesome since we want to really optimize our mobile site or mobile version here. Now, once we actually switch to our desktop version, as you can see, it's not going to affect that. The form itself is still in here, so you can go and switch over to your mobile here. As you can select that. Now, the good thing about editing your website here in mobile format is you have the same capabilities like what you have for a desktop. Now, if you want to add different elements, headings, or images, or buttons, or boxes, or socials, you could go ahead and do that in whatever way you want. So, for example, we have this section here. Maybe I want to add, like, for example, a button. So, this is just an example. Maybe I want to add a join us button here. And basically, we have now in here. We have that now in here. Now, next thing you want to do, maybe I want to reduce the size for this one. So I could go and click on this one and reduce the size for it. So make sure it actually fits. And we could go ahead and size it down a bit and make sure it's actually in the center here. And we could go ahead and click on the button itself. So let's just move this around. First, let's go ahead and select the button here. Move this at the bottom. And let's go ahead and select the text. Let's move it around here and basically drag it down. Make sure it's actually centered in our button, and that is good. Now, in this case, you can go ahead and do whatever edits you want here as long as you are in the mobile version. This will not affect your desktop version. Now, you can also change the background images here if you want. You can set colors, image, or videos. You can even set the mobile tools here, like for example, quick action bars here. If you want to add welcome screen, a browser theme color. So yeah, so the other options or some of the capabilities here might be different if you're in the mobile version. Now, by the way, if you've hidden like a specific element before, you could go to your hidden on mobile. So if you want to show them again, you could go and click on show element. By the way, if you hover over it, you should be able to see the look of it when you show it. But since we don't want to do that, we just want to keep this one. We are now good here. Now, just save the idea here. When you go to your desktop here, it should give you what it actually looks like. So as you can see, since we move things around, this one, it didn't affect the look of our desktop version. So it's just, it is the design itself for desktop is retained, and we could basically adjust a few things here. But yeah, so the thing here is you need to make sure that you save this as well, because sometimes if you don't save it, the changes will not take effect. And so that's how you adjust or make sure that your Wix website here fits into mobile. Now, by the way, if you're using Wix Studio, this is going to be a lot different. But if you're just using Wix here, this is going to be a lot easier for you. So in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to LANAP. Thank you for watching.